How to create a second location on Google My Business. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a second location on Google My Business. But first, let's dive into our Google My Business right here. Google.com, Google My Business. Click on that. So here, sign in to continue to Google Business Profile. Google My Business sign up right here. If you don't have one, let's sign up for Google Business Profile. Here, in order for us to create an account, let's click this to enable dark mode. So here it's now dark mode. So let's create a business profile logo. Right here, create a profile. And by the way, guys, if you're a business owner and have a multiple physical locations of your expanding your business to a new area, creating a second location of Google My Business is essential to ensure accurate information and better visibility in local search result. So here, type in your business, create your business via Google. But for now, we will go to google.com and search for an article. For this, to make it easy, make a second location on Google My Business. So right here, in order for you to create just sign in to Business Profile Manager. At the top left, click Business tab. Use the drop-down menu to choose Business Group. Click Add Location. Enter a business name, location, and other details. Follow the prompts to create a new profile. So here, let's look for an article. For this one, let's click for this article. We can directly create a business account on Google My Business for this video because we don't have a business to be registered with. So with that, we have to read an article in order for us to. So here, the first step is sign into your Google Business and access your dashboard. Step 2 is find the Add Business, just like this one right here. And then step 3, add single business right here. And then enter the location's information and also the details. So step 5 is verify the listing. After adding that individual business listing, Google requires you to verify your listing to make sure it's legitimate and active. So you can verify your GMB listing in a number of ways, including by mail or postcard, by email, or by phone. So here, follow those steps right here, like you've seen this one. And you can now add a second location to your Google My Business account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a second location on Google My Business. And guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on managing your online presence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment them in the comment section down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.